Essay on rain. After a long summer season, when first rain showers the land, it forms a celebration for whole human race without any age difference. Though we don't have festival called rain. Atmosphere seems to be cool and filled with pleasure. As rainy season arrives, land flourish with flowers, fruits and vegetables. Dry branches of trees are filled with thick leaves. Birds and animals start getting water and food sufficiently. Oceans, rivers, lakes, ponds and wells are filled with fresh rainwater. The moisture in the air forms water vapor, and this vapor changes into water droplets. Slowly they convert into clouds and form rainfall. The rainfall helps in storing water for irrigation, electric power, and drinking. It stocks water in huge reservoirs that supply to large towns and cities for daily use. Even though rain has lot of importance, sometimes it creates great loss in the form of floods, damages agriculture, mudslides, destroy homes, damages roads, etc. Everybody wants happiness and nobody wants pain. But you can't have a rainbow without a little rain. Thank you. Please subscribe.